Hello everyone. So in the previous classes we have discussed what is steady state error and what are the static error constant. Today we are going to analyze the steady state error of the system when the input is unit step signal. So already we defined the steady state error is nothing but in the first video limit t tends to infinity inverse Laplace transform of R of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So already we defined the steady state error e of t equal to limit t tends to infinity inverse Laplace transform of R of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So according to final value theorem, with the help of final value theorem, we can write the steady state error also limit s tends to 0 s into R of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s 1 plus g of s into h of s. So this is the steady state error value. This is the steady state error value where R of s is the input, g of s is the planned transfer function, h of s is the feedback signal value. So now we are going to take the steady state error when the input is unit step signal. Input is unit step signal means this is the unit step signal. It is represented as u of t. The u of t is having the value 1 when t greater than 0 and it is having the value 0 when t less than 0. So if you take the Laplace transform of u of t, the Laplace transform of u of t is nothing but 1 by s. So already you studied this concept in signals and systems. So the Laplace transform of u of t is nothing but 1 by s. So if the input signal is unit step, here R of s is the unit step. So in place of unit step, just substitute 1 by s. R of s is the unit step signal. So Laplace transform of unit step signal is 1 by s. So substitute 1 by s in the above equation. Then it will become limit s tends to 0 s into, here R of s is the input signal. Our input signal is unit step. So Laplace transform of unit step is 1 by s. So 1 by s whole divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. This s and s cancelled out. Then the equation becomes limit s tends to 0 1 by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So this is also written as 1 by 1 plus limit s tends to 0 into g of s into h of s. So in the previous class, in the previous video, we are already discussed limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s value is nothing but kp, that is positional error constant. Once again you cross check here. The positional error constant is kp, that is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. So in place of this, just substitute 1 by 1 plus kp. So this is the steady state error when the input is unit step signal. Limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s is nothing but kp, that is positional error constant. So I am representing the steady state error with some ESS, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus kp. So this is the steady state error when the input is unit step signal. In the first class itself we have discussed the steady state error may vary depending on the input signal and depending on the type of the system. So when the input is unit step signal, the steady state error is 1 by 1 plus kp, where kp is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. So let me take some example. If type 0 system, if you have type 0 system, type 0 system means the number of poles, you don't have the number of poles at the origin. So for type 0 system, the general transfer function is in the form of k into s plus z1, s plus z2, s plus z3 and so on. For type 0 system, the transfer function may be like this: s power 0, that means you have 0 poles at the horizon. S power 0 value is nothing but 1. S plus p1, s plus p2, s plus p3 and so on. So this is the type 0 system. So now try to calculate the positional error constant for the type 0 system. So what is the positional error constant? The positional error constant is denoted with k suffix p, that is equal to limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s, where g of s into h of s is nothing but the transfer function. So here we are taking the transfer function g of s into h of s is nothing but k into s plus z1 into s plus z2, s plus z3 by s power 0. Why we are taking s power 0? Because it is the type 0 system. So the number of poles at the origin is 0. S plus p1, s plus p2, s plus p3. So substitute g of s into h of s value here. Limit s tends to 0. G of s into h of s value is this one, that is k into s plus z1, s plus z2, s plus z3 and so on by s power 0 is 1, s plus p1, s plus p2, s plus p3 and so on. So substitute s equal to 0 in this equation. Then we will get kp equal to k into z1, z2, z3 by p1, p2, p3 and so on. So this value is the constant value. So for type 0 system, we are getting the positional error constant is constant value. So in the previous class, I already said that for type 0 system, when the input is unit step, you are getting the constant steady state error. So if you want to write the steady state error for this one, what is the steady state error? The steady state error for the unit step signal is ESS equal to 1 by 1 plus Kp. So here you are getting the Kp value is constant, that means 1 by 1 plus some constant. So finally the steady state value is constant. So when the input is unit step and if you have the type 0 system, for that system you are getting the steady state error value is constant. Let me take type 1 system. So for type 1 system, the number of poles at the origin is 1. So I am taking some example for the type 1 system. Just I am taking some random example. So for type 1 system, the transfer function is like this. The transfer function is g of s into h of s, that is equal to k into s plus z1, s plus z2, s plus z3 and so on, divided by, for type 1 system the number of poles at the origin is 1, that is s power 1, s plus p1, s plus p2, s plus p3 and so on. Now we have to calculate the positional error constant for the type 1 system. So what is positional error constant formula? That is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. So substitute g of s into h of s here. Then kp becomes limit s tends to 0 k into s plus z1 s plus z2 s plus z3 and so on divided by s into s plus p1 s plus p2 s plus p3 and so on. So if you substitute s tends to 0 in this equation, so in the denominator we have s, in the denominator we have s, something by 0. Something by 0 value is nothing but infinity. The kp value becomes infinity. And what is ESS? That is steady state error. The steady state error for the unit step signal is 1 by 1 plus kp. That will become 1 by 1 plus infinity. So the steady state error is 0. The steady state error is 0. So in the same way, you can calculate the kp value for the type 2 system, for the type 3 system, for the type 4 system and so on. So if you calculate the kp value for type 2 system means here you are getting the s power 2. For type 3 means here in the denominator you are getting the s power 3. So after calculating the kp value, just substitute the kp value in the steady state error formula. Then you will get the steady state error. Always the value must be greater than 0 only for type 2, for type 3 and so on. So in this way, we are calculating the steady state error when the input is unit step. When the input is unit step, we are getting the steady state is ES is equal to 1 by 1 plus kp. And for type 0 system, we are getting the constant. And for type 1 system, we are getting the